Igwe Dr. Lawrence Agubuzu, the king of Ezema in Ezeagu local government of Enugu State, yesterday spoke truth to power. And even when they tried to shut him up with laughters and claps, this man took a while to actually paint an imagery of the realities of the Southeast. You are planning to confer a traditional recognition on Sunday Igboho. Meanwhile, his counterpart here in the Southeast is in Sokoto prison. So people might say, but did Igboho, did he engage in arm bearing? Did he do the other one? Did he do the other one? Yes, he bore arms. Because you do not defend your people as Dare claim, Sunday Dare as he claimed that he didn't bear arm, yet he was defending his people. With what did he defend those his people? Now, the truth is, it is very rare to see men like Lawrence Agubuzu, because a lot of people, especially politicians, goes to Abuja for clientage, to beg for connection, contact. But this man spoke what was true and what was right, and he said it without fear or favor. We know that if that man does not return back safe, or if anything happens to him, if anybody buys him, then we know who to hold responsible and who to hold accountable. But this man took a comprehensive 7 minutes to eulogize the government and plead that Nnamdi Kanu should be returned either to Kenya or the United Kingdom, where he's also a citizen.
I must tell you, Mr. President, that personally, I don't feel very happy because you were not here in the morning. There were several speeches. We listened carefully. I listened to the opening address by His Imperial Majesty, the Oni of Ife. And he was gingering all of us to work as a family, to work as a team, to see Nigeria as one. And then I felt maybe this is good. But when you look at it, this same Imperial Majesty is arranging to confer a very high honor on Sunday Igboho, who in my own part of Nigeria in the Southeast, we see him as a counterpart of Nnamdi Kanu. And my brother, fellow royal father, the Imperial Majesty, does not seem to understand the pain in my heart when Nnamdi Kanu is in Sokoto. So, sir, the ball stops on your court. Bring this man out. If we don't want him in Nigeria, return him to Kenya or London, where they took him from. You see, some of us here are being asked to go and work, but the young people in the Southeast are so agitated, they can even beat us. They see us as sellouts. We come to Abuja, they may think we come to collect money. And then we keep quiet. So, sir, please do something about this. Do something about this. We cannot make progress in this country if we don't tell ourselves the home truth. There's no way. There's no way. Now, again, they were talking about Southern Traditional Rulers Committee on Health. And the eminent professor Patel was saying that this will become an annual event, what we are doing today, if I heard him correctly. The truth of the matter is that there is nothing like Southern Traditional Rulers Council. If you come here at party and you give money to people on that basis, it's not correct. The South is not the North. We have a system. We need unity in diversity. So that people, so if you want to deal with us in the Southeast. If you have resources for us, give it to us. Don't give it to people who come and say, we are Southern Traditional Rulers Council.